Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands day one on the iPhone 15 Pro. Now this is the little brother version of the Pro Max. That doesn't mean it's small, it just means it's smaller. So, as you can see from the box, we picked black titanium to unbox for you guys. So all the foil is black. And it's really cool that they went with this nice spacey theme here. Just to show you guys the theme that Apple went with last year. So you can see here they were showing off the new dynamic island, which they obviously kept for this model here. But there's not much else that's changed from just looking at the box. You can see that, well, it's hard to see, but they've replaced the slider with an actual button. It's sort of hard to see, but you'll be able to tell when the phone's out. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to open it using these paper easy open tabs. All right. It's always nice when you get these fresh off the truck, day one, you know? It was funny, I saw the UPS guy dropping off these for other people in the neighborhood as well. It was really nice seeing how many people get these day one. Ooh, that black titanium is really nice. I wasn't sure how nice it would look, but it's really nice. So the outer edge here picks up fingerprints like no other. And there you can see the new action button, which is really nice. And then here, it looks pretty much just like the old iPhone 14 Pro. All right. So it still says silent. It still says mute here as the button, but you can change this action button to all sorts of things, including shortcuts. So you can do all sorts of cool things like on your way home from work. All right. All right. So you can see there's a dynamic island, or the pill and punch hole design. It was popularly called on the internet. Now, one of the biggest changes you'll see is USB-C. I'll go ahead and show you guys with the 14 Pro. So you can see that is the switch from Lightning to USB-C. Now, the Pro model uses full speed USB-C, whereas the 15 models, which would be the 15 and the 15 Plus, use USB 2 speeds, even though it's a USB-C port. Really interesting choices there. All right. So you can see right there, it uses this button instead of the switch from last year. And then right here, you can see it has the same matte background as it did before. Same massive cameras, but they did add some software improvements. So you can see the bump. Is it bigger? So the bump looks a little bit smaller, but that's probably just because of the color that they use here, but it's the same. It's got the same holes in the same places. It's pretty much the same. It's actually pretty much identical. It's pretty much an identical phone. You can see the corners are a little more rounded. Right there, you can see that, where the screen is reflecting in the studio light here more than the case is over here on the 14. So, sadly, there weren't very many differences between the Pros this year. So, obviously, it looks pretty much the same with the exception of the button. They did switch to titanium, so this phone is way lighter than this one. I mean, way lighter might be an exaggeration, but you can definitely tell this one's lighter than this one. It's pretty nice, actually, especially if you keep it in your pocket all day long. And for the most part, most of the changes were internal. Like they made some software upgrades to the camera without changing the hardware, or at least not obviously change the hardware from the outside point of view. All right, we are done with that comparison. So as you can see here, in the rest of the box, we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cord with the braided cable. So this braided cable is a lot stronger than their older style cords for the same price even. So it's actually a really nice upgrade for Apple to do that. All right, and then the other part of the box is these basic things, letting you know that you no longer have a physical SIM card slot. Some international models, maybe. telling you that you need to use an eSIM, which you can have 2 active eSIMs or up to 8 eSIMs registered on your phone. Then you have your basic user guide for the iPhone, and then, of course, your Apple sticker. Wouldn't be an Apple product without their trademark sticker in the box. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our iPhone 15 Pro unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.